Good morning, Oak Park. My name is Solomon, and today is March 8th. It's Friday.
And I'm Roman. We will be tuning in every Friday, Monday during advisory for your cutting-edge news.
The vocal music department went to state contest Tuesday at Liberty High School. Here were the ratings that they received. A cappella choir, exemplary, 1 rating. Contest treble choir, exemplary, 1 rating. Chamber choir, Oak Street Singers, exemplary, 1 rating. Choir director Chris Drogemuller said he was very proud of these students.
Orchestra had their state contest on Wednesday. Congrats go out to them, as Symphonic earned a 1 and Concert earned a 2.
Band had their state contest this Thursday. Be sure to tune in next week for the following results, or see them sooner on our social media, Northman.
Congratulations to the Oak Park Scholar Bowl team for showing up at the 40th annual Maplewood Scholar Bowl tournament Tuesday at Maplewood Community College. Oak Park placed second among 26 teams at the competition. This adds to the Oak Park 4th place finish in 2022 and the 3rd place finish in 2023. If you see the following students today, congratulate them on a job well done. Truman Camarda, Donovan Jones, Caleb Johnson, Katie Slattery, Brian Mayer, Reese Schroeder, David Withy, Ian Williams. Coach Brian said, quote, "I could not be prouder of this team," end quote.
Do you want to join the bowling team or are interested? Here's a promotion from Alex Beals about the bowling team.
The Blacklight Dance is tonight. The dance opens 7 to 10 p.m. Be sure you have your tickets ready.
And remember, Northmen, Extreme Test Day is next week. Juniors will be taking the ACT while other grades will be taking very important tests. Be ready for the morning of Tuesday, March 12th, Northmen.
The junior class invites juniors and seniors to the prom. The theme is Tangled in Memories. The dance runs from 8 to 11 p.m. at the View, Saturday, April 27th at Briarcliff.
And thank you all for watching. I'm Solomon.
And I'm Roman, signing off for all of us here at the Axe. We'll see you again this Friday for more cutting edge news.
And remember to be ready, responsible, and respectful, because that's the Oak Park way.